Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at that really popular Stihl 044 Magnum. This saw is 70 cc's, capable of running up to a 36-inch bar. This one features a 28-inch sprocket nose bar and a 3/8 chain, .050 gauge. And we'll get a little close to this thing, check it out. Got the twist lock caps, they're very popular. You flip that and turn it. Makes it easy access to open it up. You don't need a wrench anymore. Same with the oiler. Got the twist lock cap on it. Got the elasto rope, which is spring loaded. Saves on your hands. And it's got the working chain brake. Features a wrap handlebar, and a feature I've always liked on Stihl is the side adjust. You loosen the bar nuts up, your bar wrench, your screwdriver part sticks right in there, and you can adjust the tension on the chain. Makes it real nice, easy to do. And it's got the large falling spike. It does have a ding right here. Doesn't affect the running of it though. And we will go outside and make a couple cuts with this saw.